Hello, my name is Deepak Khemani and I am here to introduce my course on Artificial Intelligence, Search Methods for Problem Solving that we are offering from IIT Madras essentially. Now, Artificial Intelligence is a huge vast area. I have listed some of the topics that go into AI. On the left hand side you can see the sensing side or the perception side of AI. Inside the circle is the reasoning side, and on the right hand side is the acting side essentially. So, our focus will mostly be on the deliberation side, on the reasoning side of AI, and in this first course we will be focusing on search methods for solving problems. And the syllabus that we will consider is, we will start with an introduction in which we will look at the history and philosophical perspectives of AI, including Turing test and physical symbol system hypothesis and so on. Then we will move on to state space search and move then to heuristic search, followed by randomized search algorithms. After that we will shift to solving problems optimally, and we will look at problem decomposition and rule based systems and expert systems and things like that. Following which we will look at game playing and some approaches to planning and constraint satisfaction. Towards the end of the course we will look at logic and inference. Now, that is a course, that is something that we will do in more detail in a follow up course much later essentially. So, let us look at a problem as what do we mean by problem solving. So, supposing you are on a football field and you are a player in the blue team and you have the ball with you and you are moving forward towards the opponent's goal and the defenders are closing in. What should you do essentially? So, at this point let us take a pause and see what should this player in blue do. What this player is doing is problem solving, that as an autonomous agent in some world the player has a goal to achieve. We suppose the goal is that his team should win, and then he has a set of actions to choose from, and the task of choosing that action is called problem solving, and this is what we are looking at essentially. So, in this particular example, as we all know, the best thing for the player to do is to pass the ball to his teammate who has a much better chance of scoring the goal essentially. Okay, so, we will look at approaches that an algorithm can use for solving problems using search methods. The textbook that we will be using is a book I wrote recently. It is called A First Course in Artificial Intelligence, published by McGraw-Hill, and there is a whole host of reference books that we will follow as and when the topics arise essentially. Now, these are the topics that we are considering. This is the first course that we are talking about. After this we will do a course on knowledge representation and reasoning and a course on constraint satisfaction, and then most likely a course on memory based reasoning, planning and natural language. The lectures that you are going to watch have been recorded live at IIT Madras, and I hope you will come and enjoy the course. Thank you.